Everyone likes living in comfort, but being comfortable can be costly. Furnaces keep us warm, but they burn dirty, expensive fuels, and they're warming the planet. Conventional air conditioners keep us cool, but are inefficient and expensive to operate. Here's an alternative: an electric heat pump. This appliance replaces your furnace and air conditioner and keeps you comfortable year-round. Heat pumps need less electricity than conventional electric heaters or air conditioners, which can help you save on your energy bills, helping our environment, and keeping air pollution and wildfire smoke outside. Sound like magic? It's just great technology available now. When our electricity comes from clean sources like solar and wind, our heat pumps produce almost no climate or air pollution. A transition that's good for your family's health and our climate. We need our elected leaders to step up and help make this happen. Can you add your voice?